chanting. Huh? Understand? No. Every day you have to chant Gayatri mantra. Eh? Gopal mantra, Kam Gayatri mantra. Eh? You receive them? Kama Gayatri mantra. Eh? You chant this. Then slowly that seed will sprout it and manifest it. So now coming in this, actually this is called bhakti. Bhakti is last fraction. That is called what? Shraddha. This Shraddha matured, then going sadhu sangha. Then Shraddha, the sadhu sangha more matured, then going sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anarthanati, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, then bhav and prem. So going is Shraddha going in what? Prem. Prema bhakti. First Shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anarthanati, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prema bhakti. Actually, this prem is going in her. Again, prem also more and more mature and also manifest. That's because sneha, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav. Then ruda, adhiruda, and madan, madanakha, mahabhav. Who is madanakha? Who is the madanakha mahabhav? Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of madanakha. So now coming, again come top to bottom. Srimati Radhika to Shraddha. Because Madanakha Mahabhav, coming in Shraddha. First I told Shraddha to Madanakha Mahabhav. Then again coming down this. So actually this bhakti is coming from where? Bhakti is coming from Srimati Radhika. Without the mercy of Srimati Radhika, any method, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in your heart. So for this regard, every day you recite Radha Kripa Katachi. Padakari Sasyamam Kripa Katacha Bhajanam Manindra Vinda Bandite Tilakasa Kaharini Prasanna Vakra Pankajam Nikunjabhu Vilasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brendra Sunu Sangate Kadakari Sasyamam Kripakatacha Bhajanam. Yes, Srimati Radhika, when I will receive one your sprinkle sidelong glands. And Kadakari Sasyamam Kripakatacha Bhajanam. Radha Kripa. Without this mercy of Srimati Radhika, any method, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in our heart. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are Ishtadevs, worshipful deity, that is called Puja Ishtadeva. Srimati Radha. Radha Meri Shamini, Main Radhin ko Das, Janam Janam Diyo Vrindavan ko Vas. Raskant Muslim poetry wrote. Radha Meri Samini, Srimati Radhika, she is my mistress. Radha Meri Samini. My Radhin Kudas, and the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Yes, Srimati Radhika. Janam Janam Mohi Vrindavan Muswas. Life after life, birth after birth. I will take birth in Vrindavan, not in Vrindavan. So now coming this way, actual bhakti is, that's called Srimati Radhika. So now again coming in this way, bhakti means another name also, that is called prema. Prema bhakti we are using. Yesterday I told three kinds of bhakti. What are the three kinds of bhakti? Sadhana bhakti, bhava bhakti and prema bhakti. All you will remember or some forget. Sadhana bhakti, two leaves. One is called Resagni, another is called Subhada. Bhav bhakti also again two leaves will come. That is called Moksha Lakutatri. Sudur Labha and Moksha Lakutatri. Sudur Labha means very, very rare, not easy to manifest. Like a Sudur Labha, meaning a Durlabha, rare. A Sudur Labha means very, very rare. But this regard name is called Sudurlabha. Or moksha bhaguta krit. That means mukti is insignificant in fact. So first is got clear. Then again prema bhakti, two lips coming. What is that? Krishna Akarshani or
Sandharananda Visheshatma.
Sandharatma Vishesh Atma.
Vishnu Kashi.
So now coming in this side. Bhakti Devi, how will manifest and in your heart and step by step going. Actually this bhakti is coming from, again you remember, this mercy of Srimati Radhika, Radha Kripa. Without this mercy of Srimati Radhika, how possible to receive bhakti? Already remember, bhakti means what? Remember, bhakti means? Seva. Tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. Guru Seva. Bhajjate, Sempate, iti Seva bhakti. Shravan, you are listening Hari Katha. This is called Seva. Shravanakha bhakti. This is bhakti. What bhakti? Shravanakha bhakti. You are speaking Hari Katha, that is called Kirtanakha bhakti. You are remembering to Krishna, that is called Smaranakha bhakti. You are doing parikrama, that is called Padasevan bhakti. Padasevan. Archana, you worship deity, that Archanakha bhakti. Shravan, Kirtan, Smarana. Archana, Bandhanam, Stuti, Bandhana. Archana, Bandhanam, that's the Sakhatma Nivedanam. Edi Pumsar Pita, Vishnu Bhakti, Chedna Volakshana. One devotee, they attain their perfection and practice one bhakti. Shravane Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj, he listened Bhagavad Katha. Shravanakha bhakti. Attained to Krishna. Kirtane Vyasaki, Sukdev Goswami Pad. Kirtanakha bhakti. Remember, you forget it. Shravan Kirtan, Smarane, Prahlad Maharaj. Remember, Prahlad Maharaj. Shravan Kirtan, Smaran, Padasevanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam.
Lakshmi Devi.
Padasevan Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi, she massage. She is massaging lotus feet of Narayan Vishnu. Padasevan. Archane Prithvi. Archane
Ambarish Maharaj.
Prithvi. Archane Bandhane Apurura. Shravan Kirtan Smaran Padasevan Archana Bandhana. Dasa Kapipati Hanuman. Dasa. Archana Bandhana Dasa Sakha. Arjuna. Dasa Sakha. Shravan Kirtan Smaran Padasevan Archana Bandhana Dasa Sakha. Or Atma Nivedan. Who did? Bali Maharaj. So now we have bhakti. Are all 9 limbs of bhakti at a time who perform? Ambarish Maharaj. Ek anga sadhikya sadhe bahu anga nishtahiti upajay premira taranga. Ek anga sadhikya sadhe bahu anga. One limbs of bhakti, one devotee, they perform, attain their perfection goal. And Ambarish Maharaj, at a time he performed 9 limbs of bhakti. You read Ambarish Maharaj Katha. Karu Hari Mandira Marjana Adishu. He engaged, Ambarish Maharaj, he engaged all his limbs and body to serve Krishna. So now coming in this way. Actually what is this bhakti? More mature and acknowledged manifested. That is called the prem. That is called Sanskrit word. That is called love, prema, love, priti. But it is a prem means priti, love. Yesterday I told. What is the priti? For this regard, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, he wrote one Sandarbha. What is his name Sandarbha? Priti Sandarbha. Priti, love. Yesterday I told, first understand what is the mundane love. Yesterday I told, actually Vishwanath Jayodigar, Jiva Goswami Pad explained in his Priti Sandarbha. Yesterday I told, the 3 symptoms of Priti, love. What is the thing? Could you remember? And Anukulla Sukha Vidhan. If you love someone, you see what is favorable for him. What does he want? Eh? Understand? What does he want? Eh? You have to realize. Eh? How he is being pleased. That is the first, that is called Anukulla Sukha Vidhan. Anukula, which is favorable for him. Anukulla Sukha Vidhan. Then second, when realization will come, then so much happiness will get. This is called Ullas, Ananda will come. Understand? Then wow. Understand? This is a football match is going on. If Brazil winner, then we will be happy or not? What to do? What to do? I don't know what you think. Let's go Ullas. So much happiness. Many kind of external symptoms are saying. Taking your clothes and doing this. Dancing. That is called the symptom of Ullas, happiness. Brazil in the World Cup. Are you Brazil? What happened? Lose? Then you are not happy. In World Cup, Brazil did it. And if conquer, if the winner, then you also win. Many countries. Many also had got.
Fireworks.
Fire. Thousand. Oh, nice. This is symptom of Ullas. Why is this called Ullas? Pretty. Love. Or third, that is called Krishna Seva. One point with Krishna. His heart is one point with Krishna Seva. Just think. Krishna Seva. There are no any other desires except Krishna Seva. So now coming in the same material. Example yesterday I gave you. Actually I did not give. Jiv Goswami Pad, he gave in his Priti Sandarbha. If you love your family member. Just yesterday you one poor Brahman. Again I remind you, one poor Brahman, he came to maintain his family. Then he told his wife, I am going to her country and do hard work. Then he left his country. He left his wife and small baby, maybe 1-2 months baby. He left. And went far country and perform hard work. What is hard work? Rickshaw, driving the rickshaw. He got how much rupee? 100. Whole day doing hard work. Indian money, maybe 5 reals. 2 reals. Per day, per month. But he spent only little bit. Just eat some little chapati. And sleeping under the tree. No house, rent, nothing. So 90 rupees what he is doing? 10 rupees is spent for his maintenance. And 90 rupees sent is her. His wife and his children, son. Look this. Why? Because how my wife and son, they will be happy. Because they love. Because he has love with wife and son. This is this is the nature. If you love someone, you have to spend money for him or her. If you have girlfriend or boyfriend, what do you do? You spend all your money, energy for him or her. Then she will be happy. Otherwise she will be kicked out. All your energy. This or wrong? All you have experience or not?
Experiência com isso, não?
Huh? Because this is the example, mundane example. That is called mundane love.
Isso é um
This is called Jara Prema.
jara prema.
Mundane love, material love. Huh? If you love, this is wrong. I am speaking truth or not?
Yes.
Huh? And you ask your boyfriend or girlfriend. If you not give money to him or her, not speak or give an answer, this you will not happy. Well, Once we get what we say to the spiritual love, material love will be sure. Uncle Rochester. This is what is the rule? This. And then, when second point I explained, that is called feeling, then your happiness will come. That's Sanskrit word, that's called ullas. Happiness. This thing. You are thinking, oh, I am happy. And people, they are going to pop or other things, spend lot of money, and that time they are very happy. And after finish, then unhappy. Oh, money and energy, everything. Understand? Then we one point. Mundane, just I explain the mundane love. If your girlfriend, boyfriend realize, oh, you also love me and love to another, then she will also. In the same way, apply to Krishna. Because I am saying, Vishwanath Jiva Goswami Pad explained this way. Japriti avivikanam vishesu anupayini. What is the love? Our Jiva Goswami Pad. Japriti aviveki vishesu anupayini. Mundane people, how they one-pointed with their material sense gratification. Their mind absorbed. Japriti avivekina. Here avivekina means less intelligent people, mundane people. They have no brain, they have no intelligence. So japriti avivekina vishesu anupayini. Unko nirantar, incessantly absorbed to with enjoying the material sense. This. And the same things you what you do? Offer to Krishna. Well, how possible? Actually, absorption. Absorption, understand? Absorb. That things you offer to Krishna. He absorbs with mundane things, and that things you offer to Krishna. But it is, understand?
Whatever you are absorbed, you should offer that to Krishna.
That observe. Have you given the intents? What the things? Absorption. Abish. Understand this?
Você absorve em Krishna, as coisas para Krishna.
You understand or not?
I understood, like, if you absorb the material things, instead you should absorb yourself in Krishna, not in material things. I understood.
Material absorption. And same absorption, giving Jiva Goswami by taking this word absorption. Understand? Abes. This abes you offer to Krishna.
Your absorption.
Absorption. Your absorption. Before your absorption with material things. A same absorption offer to Krishna. So that's so clear for this regard Jiva Goswami Pad giving the definition about love, priti. What is the priti? Japriti avivekana vishesu anupayini. Anupayini nirantar. Mundane people. Again I tell you, if you love your girlfriend or boyfriend, always remember his good or her. What she is doing. calling your cell phone. In your cell phone, whose photo is there? Krishna photo is there? Whose photo is there? Whose photo? Your girlfriend, boyfriend photo. Okay. When you press, without reason calling. Hey, why are you calling to me? This is problem. You are working your job. Sometimes your mind disturbs. Stop. Then you also are. Hello, how are you? No need actually. Why I am saying this is called as Avish. You take this word, I am saying this word, actual Jiva Goswami Pad, all these things Jiva Goswami Pad is pretty Sandra. Pretty Sandra very nicely, Jiva Goswami Pad include this mundane example. Because mundane people, they can understand if you give the mundane otherwise not. If you have no girlfriend, come. And if you have, then without reason, come.
Where are you?
Where are you? What are you doing? Maybe sometimes you become very angry. Hey, just 10 minutes before you call me, again you call me. Why? I cannot forget you. My mind is disturbed. Stupid. This is coming from her. That's called, again I remind, that is called, what is it called? Avis. So what is regard Jiva Goswami Pad? Taking these things. What are the things? Absorption. That Sanskrit word that is called Avis. And simultaneously another thing is absorption coming, Avis coming, simultaneously another thing will come. What is called? Utkantha. Utkantha means eagerness. I'm thinking, oh, when I will meet with him or her. Look this thing. This is the tendency will come. When I will meet with him or her. When I meet with my boyfriend, girlfriend. When my office job finish, I come back, then I will meet with him or her. This is utkantha. So these two things will come. These two things, actually this is coming from mundane love. And this mundane love, just these two things apply toward Krishna. Absorb with Krishna. And eagerness with Krishna. Exhaustion with Krishna. And that is called transcendental love. Pray. Another in this material world, that is called material priti, material love. And these things is just your word. Apply toward Krishna, that will be Jnani Yogi, they will give up these things. Neti, no need. No need absorption, no need eagerness. But devotee is what? These things offer to Krishna. Krishna Seva. Understand? You have Priti Sandarbha. If you read Priti Sandarbha, very nice example. So I also told these things. Yesterday I told that the story. That Brahmana, he left his house. And he earned little money, but some portion he spent for his life and 90% he sent for his maintain his wife and son. He's performing hard work and suffering himself. Why is suffering? How to? His wife and son will be happy. That means who is yesterday? His wife and son. Not other things. He's one pointed. His wife and his son. How my wife and son will be happy. For this regard, he is doing hard work. In the same way, you apply to this word again. You have to hard work for Krishna. Then you will look at how Krishna will be happy. Krishna Sukha Vidhana. That is called Bhakti Prem. You understand? Prati Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami Pad explained this thing. Just you, that thing, apply to Krishna. Yesterday I told, again also yesterday that the story I told you. What happened? When this letter coming from his wife. My son is now grew up, is very nice, beautiful, and walking very nicely and speaking papa, papa, mama, mama, walking very nice, beautiful, delicious, very beautiful body, cheeks very as like Rasgulla, very nicely poetry way. She wrote the letter to her husband. And when husband read this letter, what is what overjoyed? Why? Because my hard work, my endeavors, my shram, now is successful. Doing hard work, more. Then he is also doing more hard work and more sent money. Money is going to her. Wife and son. He is not spending money for his own self-realization, not for himself. Look this thing. He studied wife and son. How they will be more please. And when it again letter coming day by day, and every week, every month, the letter is coming from his son and wife. Then his heart is overjoyed. Understand? When he read, then his heart melted, tears rolling down. Oh, my life is successful. My wife is very pleased with me. Understand? And all my energy is successful because my energy going towards my wife and my son. So they are happy. How many years? In this way, 20 years. Still he is also sending money. Still he is also doing hard work. More and more money, as much as possible. She is sending more money. Now his son grew up, going to school, college. How many years? He said 20 years. He did not go back his country or did not see his wife and son. After 20 years. And again it will come. Again a year later has come. His son is now big doctor, lawyer, for his big house, this thing. That time his garden is coming. Look, what is garden is coming? I have to see my wife. I have to see my son. How is he now? Then one day he returned back to his house. And then he met with his wife and his son. Then his heart was happy. In the same way, even to Bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. Look this thing. Our Jiva Goswami Pad explained this thing. Prati two things. What is called? Utkantha and eagerness. How to take darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan is utkantha. Very nice. Then one day Krishna will give darshan. When you take darshan to Govinda, then you have to do. So when Krishna will give darshan to you, when you have this type of eagerness, utkantha will come. So here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, same way, explained. Sadhak Patham Bhajan and sadhana. And slowly develop his bhajan. Shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anarthamriti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and premodasha. When sadhu will come in premodasha, bhav dasa is very utkantha, eagerness will come. And premodasha, then Lord will give darshan to you. Premitte Bhagavad darshan. When praying, manifest in your heart, then Lord will give darshan to you. Hey, my bhakta devotee, sit with me. As like Dhruva Maharaj first did. Dhruva Maharaj is passing hard stage. You know the character of Dhruva Maharaj? 6 months he performed hard stage. And his body completely skinny. Understand? Then Lord, one day Lord appeared and blessing to him. Then Dhruva Maharaj opened his eyes. Then he saw Lord Vishnu, very nice, beautiful. Shankha Chakra, Brahma. Then Dhruva heart melted, tears rolling down. Again and again Dhruva Maharaj bow down his forehead, Lotus Chakra. Eh? Vishnu, Narayan. Narayan Darshan, Bhagavad Darshan. You cannot understand what kinds of happiness will come. Take darshan to Lord Upper Darshan. Eh? In this material world, material darshan, little bit happiness comes. Huh? Understand? But happiness comes. If you see your wife, happiness coming. Chandramukhi coming first. Huh? Chandramukhi, understand? Her face is as like, oh, very nice, cooling. Huh? Then after married 5 years, then Surjamukhi comes. Surjamukhi, her face is as like
Sun.
blazing sun. And too much hot coaches. Huh? And first it look like what? Chandramukhi. Chandramukhi comes. And then Surjamukhi. Surya, understand? Surjamukhi means? Who says ray of the sun. Oh, very hot. And she speaks too much. Blah, 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 blah. Huh? Very difficult to tolerate. Surjamukhi. Everything is, how will you give up? But not Surya. Then after few years, 20 years, intolerable. That time her face is just like Jalamukhi, volcano. Understand? You go Sicily, Italy. You went there?
Yeah.
What did you see there?
Volcano.
Volcano. Brazil here, no? Are you all?
All are volcano.
No need to go Italy. Huh?
We are Ukraine.
Yeah. Huh? Understand? Open your ears. Listen carefully. I do bhajan inside. Huh? Read. And see. Our Goswamis, they open our heart, everything. You cannot hide. You cannot hide. Huh? That time. Huh? So here this is. Huh? But Govinda Darshan, because Krishna's face is like cooling moon and Shital Chandra. Shital Chandra, that is called cooling moon. Okay? Krishna's all things are good. Body as like very cooling. And there is a Koti Chandra Sushita. Nitai Padaka Koti Chandra Sushita. Jichayai Jagato Jurai. And Hanonitai Bine Bhai Radha Krishna Bhai Denai Dira Kori Nitai Pada Kamala. The lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu as like pulling moon. Well, a heart pulling moon. 40 Chandra Sujita. Not only one pulling moon. How many pulling moon? Millions. Pulling moon at a time. Understand? That means all your tap. Tapo means all your distress. Adhantik, Adidambik, Adibhautik, Kritabjala. Complete river. And so much happiness will come. Pulling will come. Sital. That time no need air condition. Nityananda Prabhu Charan Kamal. If you take shelter, let us lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. What is it? Not on that. Nitai Padaka Malla
Koti Chandra Susitala
Jechayai Jagata Jurai Hano Nitai Nitai Radha Krishna Paidenai Dira Kori Dhara Nitai Maya. Be carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. So now coming this way. Everything actually I telling you from Priti Sangha. Eh? The bhakti is, let's go love. Eh? Because mundane love and one side we discuss with what love? Transcendental love. Jada prem and aprakita love. Prakita means jada. Prakita love means mundane love. On the other hand, aprakita love. But mundane love, mundane priti, they are giving so much distress and happiness. That in the beginning you are very happy. This is true. But that is called, you are explaining, that is Ajatha Kundorasamiva. Again I remind you. Mundane love is as like, what did he say? Bhagavad Gita says, Jatha Kundorasamiva. Sketching. Aprakita prem, transcendental love, always giving so much happiness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Oh, now 1:30. Okay, do arati. Do bhajan and sadhana on life. In your life, many distress and happiness will come. 5 distress and happiness are coming. This is your previous karma. So don't you blame to Krishna. Pray to Krishna. And chant Guru. And one life, serve to Krishna, Guru and Krishna. Guru Seva, Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. And all our Acharya Guru are the same. Serve Guru and Krishna. Understand? Everything is coming. Your previous. One devotee, I asked, hey, why not coming? My Harikatha, I am coming here, somehow. Why not coming? Before coming many times. Now why not coming? Oh, no, my house problem, my son problem, my money problem, job problem. If you not come in front of sadhu, then your problem will solve. If you not come to me, your problem will solve or not? Yeah, when you come to me or not me, this is not my happen. Understand? If one person will not come, what happened? This is true. If would not come, so what happened? I have nothing. I have come from very far country. Understand? 20 hours flying, then I come here. And you are here, you are not coming. And you are not meet with sadhu, not listen Hari Katha. Your problem will solve or not? I am not the cause of your problem. Am I the cause of your problem? So you should not come. You understand? I have it tell you. I told him. Why not come? Oh I am not happy with my family, with my husband, with my son. Why not coming to me? This is the question. Am I the cause of your family problem or not? If you think I am the cause of your family problem, you should not come. No problem. But I think I never to interfere with family. I am not the cause of your problem. Problem coming from where? Your karma. But that karma will be solved. If I listen sadhu, listen Hari Katha, listen sadhu, then your problem will solve. This is the main thing. Understand? And if you not say come in front of the sadhu, how possible problem will solve? Tell to me. You understand? Sadhu is not the cause of your problem. If you think this sadhu is the cause of my problem, so I should not go to sadhu. This is another question. I think I am not the cause of your problem. I never interfere with your son or husband or wife. How much money you get, not money you have, job or not. You get job or you don't get job. This is not, I am not the problem of your job. You lose your job, she told, I lose my job. For this guy I am not coming. So that means I am the cause of that. Lost your job? But no, so why you not come? Arey, you come, you have no money on foot. Come. 10 minutes walk from your house to temple. How many of 10 minutes walk. Come. But no. That is stupid nonsense. How possible your problem will be solved if not come in front of sadhu? You understand? Yeah. How people, they are completely crazy, stupid, nonsense. And Koti Janmetar Nahi Uddhar. Narottama Das Thakur explained, millions birds, they will never deliver from this material world. And again also, problem will come. More and more problem will come. If you come to the sadhu, then your problem will solve. Understand? One is clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Karma is what? Clockwise. More bandhan. Bandhan understand? But if you associate sadhu, come to sadhu, then anti-clockwise. That means your karma bandhan opposite. What did he say? Hey, Portuguese.
If you associate with sadhu, then you go Português.
Português.
Se você se associar com sadhu, então você vai estar gerando anti-horário. Quer dizer que você vai remover ou vai se desamarrar de todo o seu caso.
This is the truth. You associate sadhu, listen Hari Katha. Understand? You think, if I go to sadhu, maybe I have to give some donation. I have no need to give donation. I am not asking any donation from you. I am not expect from you. Understand? Just come to Katha.
For free.
Free entrance. Understand? Many sadhus coming. They are also there. What is called? Not free entrance. You have to buy the ticket. And if you go to London, like they ask that, one ticket, 200 what is called? Pound. Understand? Just 3 hours. Sit from sadhu, they will give some lecture. I don't know what they give. Understand? Our Gauri was saying, come here, free entrance, and take Mahaprasad also. Go to one. She prepared main prasad or not? Haribo! Take prasad. Free entrance or take prasad. Or also take prasad with your wife's children. Take that. Look this way. Gauri was saying, how you are generous. If you go yoga center, others, you have to register and pay your ticket. You understand? There are many also this type of. Are here Harikatha, free entrance. Also take very nice, beautiful, delicious Hello, Mahaprasad. You eat and as much as you can, and continue and gone until your throat. And if you take with your wife, you say, go and I take some prasad for my wife. Take this. Okay, good. Take. I saw too many devotees also packing for his wife and for his children. Okay. You know, who will cook in night time? It is better. My wife did not come. What is called? Son did not come. So we take for son and wife and double also. And put in fridge and then I come. Take this, go, no problem. Understand? But still people, they don't want to associate sadhu, no listening. How they are foolish. So how do you? So I am saying this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you associate with sadhu, then your karma will be what? Diminishing, understand? All your bondage of karma will be what? Diminishing. And if you not associate sadhu, then karma will be also more. साधु संग हरि कथा बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण। अरे आरती ओए Who is preparing? Govinda bolo hari gopala bolo. Govinda bolo hari gopala bolo. Govinda bolo hari gopala bolo. Govinda bolo hari gopala bolo.
स्वामी वंद महाराज की श्री गुरुदेव की
दशमती नंदन ब्रजभरनागर गोकुल रंजन बिहारी श्री राधा बिहारी जी की जय।